So SJSU Career Center has a really, they really put a great amount of effort for your resumes and for rest of the things. Like they have seminars on a weekly basis for resume writing. They'll go through your resume, give you feedback, then you go and sit with them, discuss them. The second thing, yes, SJSU Career Center has really great connections. So they have on-campus interviews for Adobe, Facebook, Cisco, Intel, and all these companies coming to college. Not just during the career fair, but on general days as well. Just keep looking on Handshake, which is the most popular portal used by all SJSU students. Out of 60, 58 people have internships. It ranges from $22 per hour to $55, $60 per hour. I mean, people are getting internships in really great companies: Warner Bros., Walt Disney, NASA. It's on you for which particular position you are going. So yes, the career fairs and all these things are same, but then the companies do come with various kind of opportunities in just one day itself. Mostly everyone is getting a full-time job directly from the company for which they are working. And from CS, everyone gets a full-time job, and for software engineering as well. That's like around 96 lakhs or 97 lakhs. First suggestion is start solving lead code questions and start reading the CPCI from India itself. I would also say your LinkedIn profile and your GitHub matters a lot, because most of the companies, so many a times they won't even look at what kind of work you have done by reading your resume. They just probably go to GitHub and they'll ask you to explain the code. Fix your resume with respect to the particular job role. Also have some projects inside it which are like from diverse backgrounds. If there are any management events, then probably the college has its restriction that they want to give priority firstly to the management, and if at the end, the company still want to go for others, then they probably allow you to go inside. Or usually the company doesn't have any kind of such restrictions. You can go and apply for any company.